Alright, real quick, I'm going to show you guys how I make a key to a majority of the larger trucks here. The tool we're going to use is going to be just this scope here. And what we're going to do is we're going to look right in the lock here. And I don't know if we'll be able to see anything through the camera. So I'm going to take a look. And what I see is 4 or 3. It's a little bit shorter. I'm going to say 3. That's a 4. And we have, looks like 2, 2, 1, 2. So our cuts would be 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3.5, 4. So let's just say 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to pull up the code here and see if there's anything that shows up.
Ooh, soft piggy blanket. I could cut these brinkies.
What's going on there? Let's see.
Okay, what's the up to?
Kind of Freightliner. Let's try this one. Alright, so what was it? It was 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3.5, and a 4. So let's see. So the 3.5, it just turned into a 3, so that looks right. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this key real quick. 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4. Alright, I'm going to hit it with some the brush. Get the burrs off. And let's go try it. There we go. Check the ignition. That's it.